I'm going in, I ain't running, I'ma come and tell you anyone can get to talk about it cause I really live it. All the nights on the mission, no fear, no hope in my vision. Don't need no intervention, you ain't down the ride, there ain't even no ones to come out, point them out and they all gon' be missing. Wonder why I'm still here, cause I'm doing on the daily. Act a fool if you met me, you try to be brave and step up but your crew is too scary. Plus I'm too legendary, it's what we go hard for. I'm rocking your block, you want to you get knocked off. I'm taking your place, yeah I'm making my property. Maybe a game that you probably did so with your life for me. So it's only right for me, annihilate them if they get my way of sight. And keep them up off of me, a weakness in you only make an appetite. Anytime I get into it, I be looking at them, looking pitiful and the condition that be critical. Nothing less than original, plus the ones at the end of you. Who's next?
Finish him!